Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Thursday the 9th of October. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see, the news from the FOMC created the rally, and it's moved it well on its way to its monthly pivot, which is sitting at 127.80, and still has a potential. We've still got the potential to get up there and hit that. Pretty close now to the daily 21. We've still got the 34 and daily 50, maybe still to get there at some point, but had a good move. However, since the run up following the news, we have consolidated somewhat, and we have got the daily pivot below us at 127. So the way it's consolidated, there is a chance that we could come down for that daily pivot. Now, so we're between really a monthly pivot, daily pivot. So if it starts breaking down, I would use the daily pivot as a target initially. It may even come back it hasn't hit the hourly 50 there either, so it may even come back to the hourly 50 as a target. We're still sort of making higher lows, so the overall target would still, and even to hitting these, we would still be putting a higher low in than the previous low potentially. So we could still be on for that monthly pivot. Looking at the pound dollar, and again, good move up. A bit more solid yesterday. It didn't seem to have the whips to the downside. It was more. It held on to its gains a little bit better. However, same sort of principle here. We've still got the monthly pivot above us with the 200, so good target on the 4 hourly there. That 200 equates to the 34 moving average, which has been tested before, and again we could push through to the daily 100 at some point, daily 50 at some point. However, shorter term, looking at just the morning session, we are between that sort of rock and hard place again. Same sort of picture as with the euro, is we've got the daily pivot below us, which has probably got a slightly better draw at the moment, and we've got the monthly pivot above us, and both can be, well, I mean, the monthly may still be a day or so away, but certainly the daily pivot could be hit today. We're almost drawing lines across the lows here. If these are broken and we move to that downside, as I say, we could be looking for that pivot there area. Very similar on the euro and the pound here, and if they, as I say, if either of them or both of them sell off, would be good. If they do it in tandem, and we got, I mean, there is a bit of support there on the 200 there as well, the hourly 200, which may just hold cable up as being slightly stronger, but there's the possibilities. As is, the other alternative is if it does break the highs, yesterday's highs, or the Asian session highs, yesterday's highs, it's actually has pushed up in the Asian session high. So if it does push those, break those, well then we'll be on towards the monthly pivot. Okay, that's it for me. There's no significant news out for some time. Let me just check. Yeah, the first bit of news is at midday for the pound dollar. We got the interest rate decision at 12 o'clock. There's nothing this morning, and then we got Draghi speaking at 4 o'clock this afternoon. So nothing immediate, but 12 o'clock we got the interest rate decision in the UK. Most likely expected to be left alone, predominantly, and we may not even get a statement unless there's any changing of the wording. So that's 12 o'clock. We've seen very little volatility around this movement for quite some time. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.